Right now, our World Sentiment API shows a notable spike, with a sentiment score of plus 0.01 and momentum of plus 0.04. This is particularly interesting because it's a divergence from the historical baseline, indicating a potential shift in global sentiment that hasn't been seen in quite some time. With 19 semantic clusters identified, you can gain nuanced insights into what's driving this sentiment change. Imagine using this data to adjust your investment strategies or optimize content based on prevailing public sentiment. For example, if you're developing an application that responds to real-time global events, leveraging this API could help you prioritize features or content that resonate with current sentiment trends. For more details, visit pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs and start harnessing the power of global sentiment in your projects.